Right, let's talk about Jasmy for today now. Right, so you're doing pretty good for Jasmy right now. There's like some hopes for Jasmy to actually go up here to this level, to that trend line, which is gonna be 11193. Break the 11193, and you're good to go to the upside. Okay, I just wanted to talk about in this update today for Jasmy really quickly, and that's gonna be that number one, you do have an evening star, and that's important to break. Okay, so that's the evening star right there. So I do reckon if you start to break this level, that's going to be really, really amazing. But also at the same time, you might end up making this squeeze right here for an ascending triangle as well. So let's see. You're going to have a decision until 10th of August. So who knows? This can actually be the start of the rising, and then you break to the upside, break this level, and then you start to move up to that particular price level. But keep in mind, you don't actually start to roll down and lose this level break and start to lose it, and then you're going to be going to the downside as well. So what are you going to do here is a suspense, is a big question mark, and the big question mark still remains because you do have the effect of the evening star right here. So nonetheless, that's actually a reversal candle, and you might end up still rolling to the downside at the moment. Okay, based on a candlestick reading, that's really bad. And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin and altcoin party as well. And I'm going to see you the next one. Hello.